Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss equation of motions for freely falling bodies and few numericals related to freely falling bodies. Before starting these numerical, first of all try to understand these equations for freely falling bodies, and I think you are very much familiar about these equations. General equation of motion, first equation is V is equal to U plus AT, and the second one equation is S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and third one equation of motion is V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. And these are the equation of motions for freely falling body. Simply you have to change S to H and acceleration due to gravity to G. So first equation of motion is V is equal to U plus GT, changes A to G, and S to H. So this equation will become H is equal to UT plus half GT square. And the third one equation is V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. And for freely falling bodies, this equation will become V square minus U square is equal to 2GH. And now come to sign convention for numericals. There are 5 sign convention. First sign convention is number 1. If body is falling freely downward, if body is falling freely downward, then G is equal to plus 9.8 meter per second square. Then take G is equal to positive. If body is falling freely downward, then you have to take G is equal to positive, that is plus 9.8 meter per second square. And the second one is if body is thrown vertically upward, then G is equal to minus 9.8 meter per second square, because body is going away from the earth against gravity. So G is taken minus 9.8 meter per second square. And third one sign convention is when body is dropped freely from a height. When body is dropped, for example, this is a chalk. I am dropping this chalk from this height. Then its initial velocity is, that is U is equal to 0. When body is dropped freely from a height, then U is equal to 0. And the fourth one sign convention is when body is thrown vertically upward. जैसे ये body है, इसको हम ऊपर फेंक दें, vertically upward. Then here the velocity, final velocity will become 0. That is V is equal to 0. And the fourth one sign convention is, suppose I am throwing this chalk upward from this point, then this point is known as point of projection. और ये chalk यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाता है. Suppose करते हैं इसने कितना टाइम लिया? 2 seconds. This time is known as time of ascent. From this point, that is from the point of projection to the maximum height. This is known as time of ascent. And this chalk is coming back from this point to the same point. This is known as time of descent. And remember, time of ascent is equal to time of descent. Suppose इसने 2 seconds लिए from this point to this point, and this chalk will also take 2 seconds to fall from this height to this point of projection.